Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the third eye resource into your server resources and adding an ensure line in server. CFG. This makes the resource load on startup. Once done, verify your server runs the correct framework version and any library dependencies like Oxlib or QBcore are installed, because third eye depends on those exports. Make sure file names and folder structure match the documentation. Misnamed folders are the most common immediate blocker. Next, open the config and define your interaction zones with coordinates and radii so targets trigger reliably. Once configured, set keybinds and permission checks for jobs or groups. This controls who sees which options. Then wire callbacks or events to your server logic, use exports for shared actions, and ensure event names match what your other scripts expect. Test each zone incrementally so you catch coordinate mistakes early. Finally, test third eye live in game and walk through every interaction to confirm triggers and actions behave as expected. If something fails, inspect client-side debug prints and server console logs to find missing exports or Lua errors. Make sure you restart resources after edits. If interactions miss, tweak zone radii and headings for better alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: when an action returns nil, check that the target resource.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.